Hi, it's John. When garage door doesn't work, like if it doesn't close and like it doesn't go down, and first thing you need to check this sensor is properly stayed. You know, most of the times when it doesn't work, this sensor was like moved sideways or vertically up and down. I think somebody hit or was maybe already lose this one and it moved. That's why this sensor doesn't align other side. So first thing, if garage door doesn't work, you need to check this sensor align properly. Then if it's still aligned properly, and then you have to call service like Stab or company. So first thing is like check this sensor whether it's moved sideways or vertically up and down.